Hello everybody, welcome in this my new video. And today what I'm going to share with you is something very special. And if you are English learner or if you want to improve your communication skills in English language, then this video will be very helpful, and this video gonna be very helpful for you. So before we jump our topic, I have a request for all you. Uh, Please subscribe this channel if you are new someone. So please subscribe this channel and hit the like button also. So okay, what is our topic? Today's topic is don't watch English videos with subtitle. Yeah, you heard me right. If you are someone who are watching English videos for a long time, maybe 3 months, 4 months, so then stop watching English videos with subtitle. Yes, if you are beginner and you started just for a 1 month, you are learning watching these videos for a 1 month, 2 months, then you can watch, because in the beginning time you have to you have to understand what they are saying. But if you are watching English videos for a long time, like 3 months, 4 months, then you have to stop watching English videos with subtitle. Because why I'm saying that, because I realize that if you watch English videos with subtitle for a long time, and then your listening power will not increase. Because if you when you watch English videos with subtitle, your eyes only focus on watching what with when your eyes only see one subtitle, and your listening power will not increase that time. Don't increase your English listening power. So what I am going to share with you, watch English videos without subtitle. Because when you see English videos with subtitle, you can understand that time, and you can everything, and you can understand everything what they are saying. You can, and then in that time you feel I can understand English language. But when you go to speak without any subtitle, when you have to speak with somebody, so that time you can't understand people. You can't understand the people what they are saying. They are you if you want to talk with somebody, if you want to talk any person, then you will feel difficult, and you can't understand what they are saying. So when you watch English videos, if you are from intermediate level, and if you are watching English videos for a long time, then stop watching English videos and try to watch videos without subtitle. When you do this, if you do this, your listening power will be increased, and you can understand without subtitle anything, and you can talk with person. When you talk, then you can understand what the people are saying. So increase your listening power and stop watching English videos with subtitle. So because why I'm saying that, I have realized that thing, and I don't when I have faced this challenge also, and I'm facing. And when I stop watching English videos without subtitle, then my listening power has increased. Uh, so listening power has increased. So what I'm going to share, if you are who want to someone who improve your English listening power, so then watch English videos without subtitle. And maybe you can you feel you some when you start this journey, and when you start watching English videos without subtitle, 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, maybe it can be difficult. But after 3 days, 4 days, it will be easy, and you can understand without subtitle easily. So try to use this, and maybe when you use this, you can understand when you watch while you watch English videos, and you can understand while people talking with you. Every moment, every place, you can understand if you watch English videos without subtitle. So try to use this method, and use this method in your daily life. If you are someone who want to improve their who want someone if you are someone who want to improve English speaking skills and English listening skills. So okay, maybe it will be enough for today's video. And try to use this method, and watch English videos without subtitle. Okay, if you got this video very beneficial, and maybe it will be very helpful for English learner, and for who, so especially for those person who who are watching English videos for a long time. So okay, if you got this video very beneficial, so then subscribe this video and share this video and hit the like button also. Okay, bye bye.